Model, 68-plate Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L4H2 BlueHDi 130 Enterprise engine knocking no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 108,660. MOT, the 25th of September 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, none, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.